what's up everybody? Welcome to another sharpgears.com instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to refill a Zippo lighter. It's a very simple process. You're going to just need two things. One, of course, is going to be the lighter fluid. A lot of people ask if there are other brands out there, and yes there are. One other known brand is Ronson. Second thing we're going to need is a paper clip. It's not required, but it just makes things a little simpler for us. So off we go. All you're gonna have to do is pull the insert from the casing. Now on the bottom you will see a cotton slab. You're gonna take your paper clip, poke it into the hole that is in the center of the cotton slab. Once open, you will see some cotton balls in there. Just go ahead and fill it up with Zippo lighter fluid. What I usually do is fill it until I see a little excess fluid, then I'll stop. Then I'll go ahead and place the slab back on. Place the insert back into the casing. And if you are refilling an old Zippo that hasn't been used for a while, what I would usually do is primer the wick just a little bit, just to give it a kick start. Make sure there are no lighter fluid on your hands so that way you won't get burned, and voila! Now if you have any other questions or if you have any concerns, feel free to visit us at sharpgears.com.